With wireless Apple CarPlay, you can enjoy the convenience of CarPlay without needing to take your iPhone out of your pocket to plug it in. To connect your compatible iPhone, start from the infotainment home screen and select Apple CarPlay, followed by Connect Phone. When you select Connect New Device, you will be prompted to pair your smartphone via Bluetooth. From your phone's Bluetooth settings screen, select your vehicle name. Confirm that the pairing codes on your phone and infotainment screen match. Then your phone will prompt you to allow contacts and favorites to sync. Once Bluetooth is paired, your phone will prompt you to select Use CarPlay. Then, your vehicle infotainment screen will prompt you to enable Apple CarPlay. To use Apple CarPlay with Siri, first press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel until the system responds. You can then use Siri to make phone calls, listen and respond to text messages, get directions via Apple Maps, and play songs stored on the iPhone.